Hello everybody. Now today we are going to discuss the next point of this topic, that is modern periodic table. Now modern periodic table is invented and arranged by the English scientist Henry Moseley and his co-workers in 1913 AD. Now 1913, this year, Henry Moseley and co-workers and they are English scientists, they come forward to arrange the element in systematic manner, that is called as a classification of element, and they have prepared their own law, that is called as a modern periodic law. Modern periodic law. Now yesterday we have seen in last video Mendeleev's periodic law. As Mendeleev has prepared his law before preparing the table, Henry Moseley and his co-workers also prepared their law. That law is called as a modern periodic law. These two laws are alternately asked in the exam. They are having very important in board exam. Regarding board exam, modern periodic law is that law, the physical and chemical properties of element are periodic functions of their atomic numbers. Now students, carefully look after this modern periodic law. The physical and chemical properties of elements are periodic functions of their atomic numbers, not atomic mass numbers. Only this word number and mass is the difference between Mendeleev's periodic law and modern periodic law. Atomic number is considered as a preferential characteristic to arrange the element in modern periodic table instead of atomic mass number. Modern periodic table is including some point to be understand, and according to these points we can understand how the modern periodic table or long form of periodic table is made up of. Now Henry Moseley and co-workers has prepared a long form of periodic table in which 1 to 18 columns are there. They are vertical in section. Vertical lines are called as a columns. They are also called as a groups. Groups. 1 to 7 horizontal rows are there, called as a periods. Now keep in your mind, in last point in Mendeleev's periodic table 1 to 8 groups are there, columns are there. In long form of periodic table 1 to 18 groups are there. 1 to 18 means 18 vertical columns are there, and 1 to 7 means 7 horizontal rows are there. These horizontal rows are also called as periods. 18 columns, 18 groups and 7 periods are there in modern periodic table. Now keep in your mind there are 4 blocks in periodic table. That is S, P, D, F. S, P, D, F. Now the characteristics of modern periodic table, if the characteristics someone asks to you, you have to explain there are 18 groups present in the modern periodic table, 7 horizontal rows, they are called as the periods, and there are 4 blocks in modern periodic table, names are given S, P, D, F. S, P, D and F. Now these four blocks are present. S block contains alkali metals and alkaline earth metals. Now P block contains metals, non-metals and metalloids. D block contains transition element, all are metals, and F block contains inner transition elements. They are lanthanides, and actinides. They are very highly reactive elements. That's why in modern periodic table this F block is made separately beside or down the modern periodic table. These four blocks, this S, P, D, F. S block contains alkali metals and alkaline earth metal. They contains two groups or two columns in it. Now P block is starting from 13 to 18. 13 to 18 group. 13 to 18 group is P block, and 3 to 12 is a B block, and F block is below the modern periodic table. Now in this topic, in this video, just now we'll see how modern periodic tables outline is look like and how the SPDF block is shown here. Table, outline of modern periodic table. The question will come like this: draw the outline of modern periodic table and shows four blocks in it. Now dear students, please understand how to draw the outline of modern periodic table. There are two steps present in left hand side. Now like this we have to draw. This thing, and this F block is beside the long form of periodic table, that is the outline of modern periodic table. No need to write all elements inside it, just question is like this. Now this is the S block. Now this one step, it contains two groups or two columns, that is what S block. Now draw this line, and this line is, this part is getting separate, this is called as a P block. All this thing. Now this P block is having zigzag lining in between them. Now this zigzag lining is having metalloids in it. Zigzag lining is having metalloids in it. The upper part of metalloids contains non-metals. Lower part of metallite is called as a metals. And this zigzag lining contains metalloids. So all three types of metals, non-metals and metalloids, these elements are present in P block. Now this middle part is called as a D block, and last part is called as a F block. Now this F block contains lanthanides and actinides in it. Now carefully understand the pattern and outline of modern periodic table. Left hand side S block elements are there, P block element, D block and F block. Now keep in your mind always the first element of modern periodic table is what? Hydrogen, and second element is what? Helium. Helium is present in P block. That's why we directly, if you want to read the modern periodic table from left side to right side, we have to go from 1 to 2 in P block, and directly for third lithium, beryllium, boron, so on, and lastly after 20 elements we have to enter in D block. That's why we are pronouncing as a S, P, D and F.